There is a category of water to which ordinary purification standards simply do not apply. This is water with dissolved salts, organics, silica, and gases almost completely removed, with a conductivity level of 0.05 to zero point 0.1 microsiemens per centimeter. This is ultra-pure water, and the demand for it is growing alongside the development of high-tech industries. Here, water is directly part of the technology and must meet specified quality parameters. That is why the requirements for its purity are extremely strict. Where is such water truly needed? Microelectronics and semiconductor manufacturing, chips, processors, solar panels, server equipment? The development of artificial intelligence demands ever-increasing computing power, and therefore more and more facilities where ultra-pure water is a critical resource. Energy, thermal and nuclear power plants where water is used in steam generators and heat exchangers. Medical equipment, autoclaves, dialysis systems, instrument sterilization. For all these applications, ultra-pure water is a critical condition for a stable process. Producing ultra-pure water is a multi-stage process in which the coordinated operation of every stage is critically important. The water passes sequentially through organic removal, softening, two-stage reverse osmosis with chemical composition correction and reagent dosing for effective removal of dissolved CO2, and final polishing by electrodeionization. This combination is the standard and most effective solution. Reverse osmosis provides deep demineralization and reduces salt content to a level suitable for further treatment, while electrodeionization performs the final purification to ultra-pure parameters, without chemical regeneration, in continuous mode, and with low operating costs. At the customer's request, all equipment can be fitted with automated control and remote access and monitoring capability. It is precisely this high level of automation that ensures stable system operation and the production of water with specified quality parameters. Litech Aqua implements the full cycle of ultra-pure water system creation: design, equipment manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and maintenance. Our team's experience spans over 10 years of real-world projects in industries with high water quality demands, a practical engineering approach, and solutions that deliver the highest quality parameters. For viewers of this video, there is a special offer. Promo code YouTube2 gives a discount on your order. Ask our manager for details.